A very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and preparing well for your examination. In today's class, we'll discuss the topic words as different parts of speech. This is a topic in class plus 1 English grammar. This is a very important topic. In today's class, we'll discuss how a word can be used as different parts of speech. This is a question in your examination and it carries 1 mark. But it is a very important topic from the grammatical point of view. Before we proceed to the topic, let's read the following sentences first. Number 1, iron is a useful metal. She ironed her clothes. He is a man of iron determination. Number 2, this is my book. Please book my seat. Sheila is a bookworm. Number 3, there is no light in this room. She lighted the lamp. This box is very light. The teacher is on leave today. Please leave my hand. I filled my leave form. So, in all these sentences, do you notice any change? Or there is no change? A word, iron, book, light, leave, how are they used? They are used as different parts of speech. They are used in different forms. Noun, verb, adjective. Iron is a useful metal. Noun. She ironed her clothes. Verb. He is a man of iron determination. Adjective. So these sentences show that how a word can be used as different parts of speech. What are these different parts of speech? Let me introduce you to this thing. On the screen, you can see this picture where different parts of speech are shown. Means in a sentence, we see different words and different words play the role of different parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. For example, I give you one sentence. He is a big boy. He is a big boy. Here the word he is pronoun, is helping verb, a is article, good is adjective and boy is noun. Okay, so we see that in different, like in one sentence, different parts of speech can be used. So these are the different parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. But in our syllabus, we have only this noun, adjective and verb. Means we'll be studying about how a word is used as or can be used as noun, adjective and verb. Is it clear? So let's move further. Now, for that, we should know what is the definition of a noun, what is the definition of a verb, what is the definition of an adjective. Only then we can use any word as noun, as verb, and as an adjective. Noun. You have read in your junior classes noun as nav in Punjabi and sangya in Hindi. Now you remember? A noun is a word used as a name of a person, animal, place or thing, idea, quality or concept. Noun एक ऐसा शब्द होता है ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿਸੇ person ਦਾ ਨਾਮ, animal, place, जगह, चीज ਦਾ ਨਾਮ, कोई भी विचार, कोई गुण, कोई भी तत्व, कोई भी concept. So a noun is the name of anything. इस दुनिया ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ अगर कोई भी चीज exist करती है and that has a name and everything has a name, that is a noun. Okay, whether you can touch that thing, whether you cannot touch that thing, whether you can see that thing and whether you cannot see that thing, but all those things are nouns, whether concrete or abstract. Is it clear? For example, number one, Radha lives in Amritsar. She bought a new car. Honesty pays in life. We all like the beauty of nature. Here, Radha, Amritsar, car. All these words show us, we know that they are nouns because it's a name of person, name of place, name of thing. Okay, honesty we can't see, we can't touch, but we can feel because it's a name of some feeling, name of something. कुछ कोई ऐसी चीज है जिसका नाम है ईमानदारी and we can feel that, so that is a noun. So you once like you are clear what is a noun, you can easily use any word as a noun. Let's go more. Verb. What is a verb? Verb in Hindi and Punjabi you know as kriya. A verb shows an action. It tells us what the subject is doing. Verbs are also called action words or doing words. ਅਸੀਂ हर समय कोई ना कोई काम कर रहे होंगे. जब तक इंसान जिंदा है कोई ना कोई हरकत कोई ना कोई काम कर रहा है. खा रहे हैं, पी रहे हैं, सो रहे हैं, जाग रहे हैं, डांस कर रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, खाना बना रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं, लिख रहे हैं. इवन कि सोते हुए वी आर ड्रीमिंग, सपने देख रहे हैं. So we are doing some or the other action. So all those action words are called verbs or doing words. There are two types of verbs, main verbs or auxiliary verbs. Main verbs, like you know, as different forms: go, went, gone, take, took, taken, sleep, slept, slept, give, gave, given. Okay, so in these examples, open the window, she broke the slate, he hopes to get first division. जितनी कोई क्रिया हो रही है, these are called verbs. Now what is an adjective? An adjective is a word which modifies a noun or a pronoun. Adjective एक और शब्द होता है ਜਿਹੜਾ noun, ਨਾਮ ਜਾਂ ਪੜਨਾਮ, ਸੰਗਿਆ ਜਾਂ ਸਰਵਨਾਮ ਨੂੰ modify ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਨੂੰ describe ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਹੈ. Okay, उसकी quality बारे दसदा है, quantity, number, possession. Okay, normally the adjective comes before the noun. Normally, not always. For example, I feel happy. How do I feel? I feel happy. Happy is telling us the quality of I, pronoun. Okay, how do I feel? Happy. Happy becomes adjective here. She likes red color. The word red is telling the quality of color. The word color, that is a noun, so red becomes adjective. Kaisa color? Red color. What is the face value of this building? Here the word face is telling us the quality of value, face value. Okay, so it becomes adjective. So we are clear what is a noun, what is a verb, what is an adjective. Once we are clear, once we know the definitions of noun, verb and an adjective, we can understand this topic very well and very clearly. Is it clear? So let's study more examples. First is play. First is play. Okay, I tell you, I give you one word play and I tell you to make sentences with play. Which sentences come into your mind? Yes, think more. Yes, I think sentences coming in your mind are like I play cricket, I play in the evening, I play with my sister, my mother plays with me, play, 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 play. Can you tell me, here the word play is playing the role of what? Is it a noun? Is it a verb or an adjective? It is a verb. How do I know? Because here the word play is telling us about doing action. Kirya ho rahi hai. The boys, like I have also used an example here. The boys play in the playground. So here the play word is used as play verb. Okay, so then what is play as noun? Noun ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? किसी चीज ਦਾ ਨਾਮ, किसी चीज ਦਾ ਨਾਮ। मैं एक प्ले ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਟ ਕੀਤਾ, मैं एक प्ले ਨੂੰ ਐਕਟ ਕੀਤਾ, okay, enact ਕੀਤਾ, okay, so that is play as noun. Okay, I like the plays of Shakespeare. I took participation, like I participated in a play. ठीक है, there is a big playground. Here play is adjective. Here the word play is adjective because it is telling the quality of ground. Okay, कैसा ground? Playground. Okay, so adjective क्या होता है? Which tells the quality of a noun. Playground. Okay, move to second word is fine. Fine. Okay, very interesting again. How are you? I am fine. How are you? I am fine. Everybody knows. How is she? She is fine. Okay, tell me what is fine here. Fine is noun, verb or an adjective? No, it is not noun. It is not verb also. It is adjective because it is telling the quality of you. I put a question, how are you? And you answered as, I am fine. I've also used this example because it is telling the quality of a pronoun कि कैसा है, fine, ठीक हूँ, okay, विशेषता बता रहा है, so this is adjective. So then what is fine as noun? Fine as noun, किसी चीज का नाम होवे जिथे. Yes, you are thinking rightly. Your teacher says, okay, you were absent yesterday, so bring your fine of rupees 5, of rupees 10, 15. Ma'am, I paid my fine. Okay, fine. So here fine is taken as noun. Fine is used as noun because it is telling the name of something, anything. So I have paid my fine. Here fine is used as noun. Okay, then what is fine as verb? Teacher ने मैंने fine कर दिता, जुर्माना लाता. The teacher fined him for coming late. Fined me for coming late. Fined me for being absent. Fined me for breaking the window pane. Anything. Fine is what? The punishment. So ਇੱਥੇ fine ਕਿਰਿਆ ਦਾ ਰੋਲ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, verb ਦਾ ਰੋਲ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. You're clear? So I am fine, adjective we have already discussed. Next come to pay. Pay. The word is pay. Okay, pay. अगर मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ question ਦਵਾਂ बेटा जी sentence बनाओ pay ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. Okay, many of you will be making like this, I pay my bill, I pay my fees. Okay, and my pay is very small, my father's pay is very small. Okay, you'll be using this only. Yeah, like, so it means you are unknowingly using this word pay in different forms and as different parts of speech. When we say I have paid my fees, I will pay my bill. So here the word pay is used as verb. Kirya karya hai. She paid all her dues. Okay, pay karna, ada karna. So here the word pay is used as verb. Okay, his monthly pay is very high. ਇੱਥੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ pay है वो किसी चीज़ का नाम है. Okay, income. Fine. So here the word pay is not acting as verb. Here it is acting as noun. Clear? So what is pay as an adjective? I have signed the pay book. कैसी book? Pay book. Clear? एक रिसिप्ट बुक होती है, एक पे बुक है, पे रजिस्टर है जिसमें पे का सारा ब्यौरा दिया हुआ है. So here the word pay is telling us the quality of book and it becomes an adjective here. Okay, the next word is button. Button, very common word, button. Okay, tell me which sentences come into your mind if I say the word button. This is a button. Like I have also a button. Okay, this is a very shining button, right? And this is a red button. This is a yellow button. I like pearl buttons. Okay, fine. The buttons on my shirt are very beautiful. Fine. So all these sentences can come into your mind, into our mind. So what do these sentences show? That word button is used as what? It is used as noun because it is showing the name of something. और ਜਦੋਂ भी कोई word ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ किसी चीज़ का name show करता है, means that is a noun. That is a noun. Okay? So the buttons on your shirt are very beautiful. ऐथे मेरा buttons तो मतलब है कोई भी चीज़. So that buttons become noun. Button up your shirt. अपनी shirt पे button बंद कर लो. Close your buttons नहीं. Button up your shirt. Here the word button is playing the role of a verb. He started a button factory. कैसी फैक्ट्री? बटन फैक्ट्री. कोई बिस्किट फैक्ट्री होती है, ओके, कोई वुल फैक्ट्री होती है, कोई क्लोथ्स फैक्ट्री होती है, शर्ट फैक्ट्री होती है. दिस इज अ बटन फैक्ट्री वेयर बटन्स आर मेड. So this button is telling us the quality of factory and button becomes an adjective here. Clear? Then the next word is fast. Fast. Please revise fast. Write fast. Come fast. He is running fast. I hope these sentences are coming into your mind. Okay. Now tell me what role the word fast is playing here. Is it a noun? Is it a verb? Or is it an adjective? Yes. Think. Adjective? No. It is an adverb here. Because it is telling us about the verb कि action किस तरह हो रहा है. Come fast, run fast, write fast. ठीक है, ये ऐसे verb नो qualify कर रहा है, इस करके ये adverb है. ना तो ये noun है, ना ये verb है, ना ये adjective है. Then what is fast as a noun? What is fast as a noun? I give you a hint. Navratras are coming. Monday Sawan month, yes, fast as vrat. You keep fast. I have kept a fast today. Today is my fast. I'm on a fast today. So here the word fast is the name of something. Okay? And fast is used as noun. Fast is used as noun. Then fast is used as verb. How? She is fasting for many days. वो कई दिनों तो व्रत कर रही है. ऐसे क्रिया हो रही है fast. Fasting. So fast is used as verb. Clear? Then what is fast as an adjective? Meera is my fast friend. So here the word fast is used as an adjective. कैसी friend? Fast friend. Clear? The next word is watch. Watch. Okay. This is a beautiful watch. Now, everybody knows watch is the name of something very dear to everyone. Okay, सबको बहुत शौक होता है watches का. This is a beautiful watch. I have a golden watch. I have a black colored watch. My uncle gifted me a wrist watch on my birthday. You're doing some letters also, letter to uncle for birthday gift, and you use this word very commonly like watch. So their watch becomes a noun because it is the name of something. Then what is watch as verb? Children are watching TV. Whenever we say the word watch, three meanings come into our mind. Watch, what we tie on our wrist. Watch, देखना, and watch is watchman. Watch is watchman. So we should be clear. So in these three meanings, what role the watch is playing? Okay. When watch is acting as noun, when watch is acting as verb, and when watch is acting as an adjective. Once we are clear the definition of noun, verb, adjective, we can easily assess and we can easily write, we can easily use the words as noun, as verb, and as an adjective. Is it clear? I hope you have well understood the topic. Now I give you some words for practice. Take a copy, pen and note down these words. We'll discuss these words in our next class. Number 1 is call, second is head, third is face, fourth is right and fifth is milk. जब तक आपको क्लियर हो गया है कि what is a noun, what is a verb and what is an adjective, you can easily use these words as different parts of speech, and in a syllabus different parts of speech will be doing as noun, as verb and as an adjective. Is it clear? Okay, let me revise again. Noun, when we say the name of something, then that word is acting as noun. Verb, when that shows some action, okay, and we use some particular word in that sense, that means that is used as verb. Adjective, when it qualifies or modifies any noun or a pronoun, then that word is acting as an adjective. So once you are clear of these things, noun, verb and adjective, once you know the definition of these things, noun, verb and adjective, अगर आपको ये मीनिंग क्लियर हो जाते हैं, you can easily use these words in as different parts of speech, that is noun, verb and adjective. I hope you have well understood the topic and enjoyed my class. Thank you. Till that you will be noting these words and you will be doing for practice. आई होप अगर आपको कोई कन्फ्यूजन्स है, कोई आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, यू कैन कमेंट मी इन द कमेंट बॉक्स एंड आई विल रिप्लाई टू योर क्वेश्चंस. थैंक यू. टिल देन, टेक गुड केयर ऑफ यू. थैंक यू.